Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a video regarding your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what is on your side, Geminis. The Knight of Wands. Okay. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Justice. The most likely outcome is the Page of Swords. So you are feeling very passionate about this person. You really want to rush in and make a move. You really want to move very fast towards this person. And on your person's side we have the Justice. So definitely this person is trying to sort out something or trying to balance something in their life, or maybe they are trying to make a decision over here. Okay, we'll see what that is when we clarify. For the most likely outcome we have the Page of Swords. So definitely there is a new beginning, a clarity as to a new idea, or a clarity as to how to move ahead, or wanting to move ahead. Okay, so let's see why is this Knight of Wands here for. So for the Knight of Wands we have the Ace of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. Why is this Justice card here for? Why is this Justice here for on your person's side, Geminis? So for the Justice we have the Five of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. Why is this Page of Swords here for? So for the Page of Swords we have the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the High Priestess. So Geminis, for the Knight of Wands we have the Ace of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that you really want a new beginning. As I said, you really feel very passionate and drawn to this person. You really want to make a move, and you really want to have a new beginning with this person. Okay, with the Ace of Wands here. Okay, so definitely you want a new beginning, and with the Seven of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles, this is with the Seven of Pentacles, you are just giving it a moment to just reflect and understand as to how to move ahead, what to do, what not to do. So it is just grounding yourself, and the impulse which you are feeling to move forward, you are just trying to give it a thought and just review it and just think about it as to how actually you should move ahead. It is something like that. So how you are just grounding yourself, I should say, and then planning as to what should be the right move. Okay. So somewhere deep within you know that being impulsive is not the solution. You shouldn't, even though you are feeling impulsive and drawn so much, but you really want to rush in, but you are grounding yourself and you are understanding that that is not the right way. Perhaps you need to go slow, and that is what you are doing and moving, taking a step forward with the Page of Pentacles. Okay, for the Justice here on your person's side, we have the Five of Swords, the Two of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. So definitely there has been something over here, some sort of a fight, some sort of an argument has happened over here with the Five of Swords, which is troubling and bothering your person. Okay, they are trying to make up their mind as to what should be done. But then yes, with the Ace of Cups, they will decide to make a new beginning and take a step forward. So this is the decision which they have to make here with the Justice. They're trying to sort out in their mind, trying to balance the things and the pros and cons in their mind, and then trying to make a decision over here. Just with the Two of Swords again, and so this is something which is perhaps bothering them. Maybe taking the decision itself is bothering them, can be that, but it can be that something has happened between both of you because of which they are troubled and upset, and they are taking time to decide. But the decision perhaps will be positive one, because they do want to open up emotionally. They do want a new beginning over here. For the Page of Swords, we have the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the High Priestess. So definitely, though, as I said, there is a clarity, there is an idea, or maybe there, you people have communicated with each other that yes, a new beginning, a small step forward is being taken. But then something is still, there is a lot of confusion over here actually. Somebody here is very confused. There maybe they have a lot of option, or but to me what I feel is it is not about options. The confusion is because of the fact, the Eight of Swords, this person has the fear of opening up. This person is has some past experiences over here, that this person is sort of scared to open up. That's what I feel, and that is why it is really a huge deal. It is showing up with the Justice card here, which is a major card, and the Five of Swords, Two of Swords, Eight of Swords. The confusion is on your person's side, because it is really tough for this person to release the past and move out, move ahead. Okay, even though they have the clarity that they have to do that and they should do that, but intuitively with the High Priestess, this person knows that this is the right step. Intuitively they know, but I think this person is taking the time. They are confused. They don't know how to liberate themselves, how to move ahead, how to take that first step out of this sort of self-imposed prison or self-imposed energies. They are so scared, and that reluctancy in moving ahead. So this is this person is fearful. They really don't know how to take that first step. Somebody here doesn't know how to take that first step. It's something like that. It's not that they don't know how to take it, but that fear is stopping them. Okay, so they know what to do, how to do it. It's something like that. But intuitively they know that that is how they are supposed to move ahead. But maybe as for now, there is no huge communication. Maybe you people, they can be a small communication or a small beginning, but I really don't see there is any big move over here. Even though the impulse and passion may be huge on your side, but I really don't see anybody, the overall relationship, I really don't see making a big move as for now, a big progress as for now, even though the wish to do that is there. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. Number 2 may be of some significance for you. So definitely you need to be in touch with your childlike emotions, and both of you need to understand that it's like if you are sort of understanding each other, then you will be able to attract each other more, sort of. So I'll be putting an extended to this reading, doing an extended to this reading. The link of that is given in the description box below. So you're most welcome to join me there on Patreon to listen to the extended. And for others, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.